Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College.
Welcome students. Now in your previous videos we have seen how to solve homogeneous equations, that is to find the solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Now in this video we are going to see few more different examples of homogeneous differential equations. Okay, so here the example what I have taken is x1 plus 2 e raised to x upon y plus 2 e raised to x upon y into 1 minus x upon y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. So in your first video of homogeneous differential equation, I have told you that you can substitute two ways, that is y equal to v into x or x equal to v into y. Now if you look at this example, the ratio is x upon y. So clearly, instead of the substitution of y equal to v into x, the easy substitution will be x equal to v into y. And what you should do is, you should convert this equation in the form of dx upon dy equal to. So first what we will do, we will convert the given equation in the form of dx upon dy. So this term I will keep on LHS only, 1 plus 2 into e raised to x upon y. I will take this term on the other side. So minus 2 e raised to x upon y into 1 minus x upon y into dy by dx. So the term becomes minus. Now I have to write in the form of dx upon dy. So I will just cross multiply these terms. So dx upon dy will be equal to minus 2 e raised to x upon y into 1 minus x upon y upon this term 1 plus 2 into e raised to x upon y. See, this dx comes this side, numerator, dy goes in the denominator, and this term on LHS goes in the denominator. So I have written the given equation in the form of dx upon dy. So what will be my substitution now? Let x equal to v into y. Differentiate with respect to, now you will differentiate with respect to y. So you get dx upon dy is equal to v into y. V into derivative of y is 1 plus y into derivative of v with respect to y will become dv upon dy. In place of dx you will substitute this, and in place of x you will substitute v into y. So what is x upon y equal to? It is v. So this becomes your easy substitution. When you take y this side, you get x upon y equal to v. That's why, see, in the sum also you have x upon y. If you had substituted y equal to v into x, then x upon y would have become 1 upon v. Then integration would have become more difficult. So the easy way of substitution is x equal to v into y. So you get x upon y is equal to v. Okay. So these three substitutions we will do in this equation. So let us start with LHS. Dx upon dy is v plus y dv upon dy is equal to. So you have minus 2 e raised to x upon y, means raised to v it will become now, into 1 minus x upon y is v, so 1 minus v upon 1 plus 2 e raised to v it will become. So 1 plus 2 e raised to v. Yes, so the ratio is simplified. Now we will simplify this part. We will take v on the other side, we will open this bracket also. So y dv upon dy is equal to minus 2 e raised to v into 1 is minus 2 e raised to v. Minus into minus is plus 2 e raised to v into v. Okay, upon 1 plus 2 e raised to d. Then this v, when I take on the other side, it will become minus. Understood? This bracket I have opened, so these are the two terms. V I have taken on the other side, it becomes minus. Now since the denominator is 1 1 plus 2 e raised to b. So let us do the same, make the denominator same. So this term as it is 2 e raised to b plus 2 e raised to b into b. Then b into 1 is b and b into 2 e raised to b is minus 2 e raised to b into b upon 1 plus 2 e raised to b. In between minus sign is there, so both the terms will become minus. So you can see 2 e raised to b plus minus 2 e raised to b into b. So plus minus terms get cancelled. Now what you remain here is minus and minus. Both the terms are minus. So I will take minus sign common out here. 2 e raised to b plus b, minus sign I will take it common out, upon 1 plus 2 e raised to b in the denominator. And this side what you have, y into dv upon dy. Yes, so these are all the terms of v. dv is in the numerator this side and dy is the denominator. So after this what we do? We do variable separation form, right? So the terms on b we will take on LHS and the terms on y we will take on RHS. So what this will become? This will go in the numerator. So 1 plus 2 e raised to b upon 2 e raised to b plus b. Okay, this will go in numerator and this will come in denominator into dv is equal to, now dy I will take on the side, on the other side, and y also I will take on the other side, and minus sign as it is. So minus 1 upon 1 dy. So this is called as variable separation form. Now after this variable separation form, what we do, we integrate on both the sides. So integration of 1 plus 2 into e raised to b upon 2 into e raised to b plus b dv is equal to minus integration of 1 upon y dy. Yes? Now look at here. What is derivative of 2 e raised to b plus b? 2 e raised to b derivative is 2 e raised to b. And derivative of b with respect to dv is 1. So you can see this. It is in the form of f dash of x upon f of x. So here the integration will be equal to log of 2 e raised to b plus b is equal to minus log of y plus log of c, constant of integration. Understood? F dash of x upon f of x form. Therefore log of 2 e raised to b plus b, 1 upon y integration with respect to y is dy is log of y and plus constant of integration. Now I will take this log of y on this side. So log of 2 e raised to b plus b plus log of y is equal to log c. Yes, plus sign means the terms will get multiplied. So this is equal to, by law of product, y into 2 e raised to b plus b is equal to log of c. So comparing both sides, what you get? Y into 2 e raised to b plus b is equal to c. Now this is actually your answer, but you have to resubstitute the value of b. What is b equal to? It is x upon y. So your final answer will be y into 2 e raised to x upon y plus x upon y is equal to c. So this is your solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Now let us see the next example. The next example is 1 plus e raised to x upon y dx plus e raised to x upon y into 1 minus x upon y dy is equal to 0. Now again in this example you can see the ratio of x upon y. So clearly what will be the substitution? The substitution will be x equal to v into y. So what we have to do? We have to convert the given equation in the form of dx upon dy. So let us start doing that. So this side I will keep as it is 1 plus e raised to x upon y dx is equal to minus e raised Okay. Now I will take d by this side and this term on the other side. So what I will get? Dx upon dy is equal to minus e raised to x upon y into 1 minus x upon y. This is your numerator, and denominator will become 1 plus e raised to x upon y. Yes, so we have written in the form of dx upon dy. The next will be our substitution. So let x equal to v into y differentiate with respect to y. Sorry. Yes, so dx upon dy will be equal to v, derivative of y with respect to y is 1, plus y derivative of v with respect to y is dv upon dy. So this is your substitution for dx upon dy, and this becomes your substitution for x. And what is x upon y equal to? It is v, and this becomes your substitution for x upon y. So these three substitutions we will do here. So let us start with LHS. We will substitute dx upon dy. It is v plus y dv upon dy is equal to minus e raised to x upon y. So it will become minus e raised to v into 1 minus x upon y will become 1 minus v upon 1 plus e raised to x upon y will become 1 plus e raised to. So this is our substitution. Now next what we have to do? We have to simplify this equation. So I will open this bracket and also I will take v on the other side. It will become minus v. So y dv upon dy is equal to minus e raised to v into 1 is minus e raised to v plus minus into minus is plus v into e raised to v upon 1 plus e raised to v and minus v from your LHS. Okay. Then what we do next? We make the denominator same. So here you have to multiply v by 1 plus e raised to v. So y dv upon dy is equal to minus e raised to v plus v into e raised to v. Minus v into 1 is minus v and minus v into e raised to v is minus v into e raised to v upon 1 plus e raised to v. Okay. So plus v into e raised to v and minus v into e raised to v will get cancelled. Okay. So you have y dv upon dy. Now from these two terms I am going to take minus sign common out. I will get e raised to v plus v upon this term I can write as e raised to v plus 1. Okay. So this is the remaining terms here. So you can see the differential dv is this side. That means we have to take the variables of v on the left hand side. So what this will become? This term will go in numerator. E raised to v plus 1 upon e raised to v plus v into dv. Minus sign as it is, dy will go in the numerator and y will come in the denominator. So you have separated the variables according to the differentials. dv this side, so you have taken the variables of v this side, and y on the RHS, you have taken the variables of y on RHS. So this is called as variable separation form. Now after variable separation form, we integrate on both sides. So we have integration of e raised to v plus 1 upon e raised to v plus v dv is equal to minus integration of 1 upon y dy. Now clearly derivative of e raised to v is e raised to v and derivative of v with respect to dv is 1. So again this is in the form of f dash of x upon f of x. So clearly the integration is log of e raised to v plus v is equal to minus log of y plus log of c. 1 upon y integration with respect to y is log y. Then again I will take log y this side. log of y is equal to log c. Plus sign means product, log product. So log of y into e raised to v plus v is equal to log c. Then by comparing both sides you get y into e raised to v plus v is equal to c. So this is your solution, but you have to resubstitute the value of v as x upon y. So what will be your final solution? Y into e raised to x upon y plus x upon y is equal to c. So this is your solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Y e raised to x upon y plus x upon y is equal to c. Now let us see one more example. Now what is the example is x into y dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square. And here they have given you that y of 1 is equal to 2. That means it is very clear when x is 1, y is 0. At these values of x and y you have to find the solution. That means what you have to do in the previous examples, you have seen that you are finding the general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Now in this example, you are supposed to find the particular solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Okay, when x is 1, y is 0. Okay, so first let us start with simplifying and substitution. So here clearly we have to convert in the form of dy by dx is equal to numerator as it is x square plus 2y square upon this xy will come in the denominator. Yes. Then after this, after forming this form, then we do substitution. So let now your substitution will be y equal to v into x. So we will differentiate with respect to x. So we get dy upon dx is equal to v, derivative of x with respect to what x is 1, and then x into derivative of v with respect to x is dv upon dx. So this is the substitution of dy by dx, and this is your substitution for y. Okay, these two substitutions we will do here. So what we will get, v plus x dv upon dx is equal to x square as it is plus 2 y square will become v square x square upon x into vx. Yes, so x into y is vx, so that will come here. Okay, now we will simplify this part. This is the substitution. Okay, now what we are going to do is we will simplify. So your x into v into x is vx square, and from the numerator you can take x square common out. So v plus x dv upon dx is equal to x square into 1 plus 2v square upon v into x square. Right? In the numerator I have taken x square common out. X into x is x square. So you can see easily in the numerator x square and the denominator x square will get cancelled. Okay? Now we will take this v on the other side. It will become minus. So you have x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus 2v square upon v minus v. Okay? Now what we need to do? We need to make the denominator same. So here you need to multiply by v. So x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus 2v square. v into v is minus v square upon v. 2v square minus v square is v square. So you have x dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon v. You can say 2v minus v square. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you can see here dv differential is on LHS. So all the terms of v you have to take on LHS, and all the terms of x you have to take on RHS. So let us do that. So v will go in the numerator upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to x will come this side. So 1 upon x, and the differential dx will go in the numerator. So you can variable separation form. So v goes in the numerator here, 1 upon v upon 1 plus v square dv equal to 1 upon x dx. Okay, so this is your variable separation form. Yes, after variable separation form, what we do? We integrate on both sides. So what this will become? Integration of v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration of 1 upon x dx. Now, how to integrate this? See, what is derivative of 1 plus v square? Derivative of 1 plus v square is 2v. So here we can multiply and divide by 2 because 2 is a constant. So I can write this as 1 upon 2 integration of 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration of 1 upon x dx. Yes, so now you can see it has become in the form of f dash of x upon f of x. So what is this? 1 upon 2 log of 1 plus v square is equal to 1 upon x dx is log x plus you can take log of c1. Okay. Now here you have 2 in the denominator. We will multiply everywhere by 2. So this will become log of 1 plus v square is equal to 2 log of x plus 2 log of c1. Okay. So 2 log x, what it will become by log of exponent x square, and 2 log of c1 will become log of c1 square. Yes. So log of 1 plus v square is equal to log of x square plus log of c1 square. Now here you have plus sign, so this will become product. So you have log of 1 plus v square is equal to log of x square into c1 square. Yes, by law of product. Now in place of c1 square you can write c also. And when you compare on both sides, what you will get? You will get 1 plus v square is equal to x square into c. We can write it as c, where we can say c is equal to c1 square. So this is your solution. Now we will resubstitute the value of v. What is v equal to? It is y upon x. So y square upon x square is equal to x square into c. So what is this called as? This is called as general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Now in the sum they have given you as y of 1 is equal to 0. That means you have to find the particular solution. So when x is 1, y is 0. So let us substitute these two values. So 1 plus 0 upon 1 is equal to 1 into c. Therefore what do you get? Therefore c is equal to 1. See, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 into c is c. So value of c is 1. So you have got the value of constant, that means you have got the particular solution. So this value of c you can substitute in the general solution. So you can write it as 1 plus y square upon x square is equal to x square. So this becomes your particular solution. Okay, understood how to find the general solution? We have seen many examples. Just substitute the value of x and y, you will get the value of c. Resubstitute the value of c in the general equation, general solution, and you will get the particular